What's good, YouTube? ThatBoyJ back with another production. I don't even know who this is. Nice. What's good, YouTube? ThatBoyJ back with another production, man. Before the video starts, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I promise you won't regret it. Also, turn on the post notifications. We post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, so get ready. This kid has never had Popeyes. You never in your life had Popeyes. I feel like that's a problem. I don't know what to say to that. Alright, we're gonna be going to Popeyes and we're gonna get this kid's first reaction. He's eating the fries. He's eating some of the fries, so. Personally, I don't think the fries are good, but they're not like gas, so. Take a bite of that damn sandwich.
Presentation with he looks better than Chick-fil-A.
Oh yeah, for sure. Did you just drool?
I feel so awkward.
Yeah, it's fire. We took his Popeye's virginity. That boy is bashing, oh my god. This dip filled ice cream all in my seat. Look at that, dude. Are you serious? Nice. That's a nice moment right there. So I cleaned it up the best I could. Alex, sorry if you sit down and your butt's wet. Yeah. It's Brendan's fault, not mine. Over again. I got PTSD. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, that's the only part I know. James, baby, no. Alex D, Alex Ferry.
Is it the vlog?
It is the vlog.
Hi vlog.
We got one of the
pop off. Don't sleep on the boy.
Don't sleep.
ThatBoyJ, you already know what I'm saying.
We got one of the goats out here, Alex Sperry. You know what I'm saying? What?
James no.
So we're going to Dairy Queen right now, and I've only had Dairy Queen once, and I've never had a Blizzard.
You're lying.
I've never had. I swear.
You know, like Dairy Queen's known for their Blizzards.
Yeah,
and
the one time I went, I got a strawberry sundae.
Do you like brownies? Okay, turn the camera off. You're so weird.
It's too much.
Stop watching ThatBoyJ. He doesn't eat sweets.
I'm like, strawberry lover.
Okay, then strawberry cheesecake blizzard is what you have.
Is that gas?
Yeah.
Okay.
It goes crazy. That cotton candy dip looks kind of crazy. I'm like fruit.
Really?
Not
fruit? Cotton candy? Fruit?
Okay. Yeah, look at that, Jay. Oh my God, look at him. Oh my God. You gotta flip it upside down, and if it doesn't come out, then it's a blizzard. But if it does come out, they're supposed to give you a free one. Nope, flip. Oh my God.
Bro, I was scared.
Okay, so oh my gosh. Oh, what's it out of 5? I would say like a solid 4.5.
4.5? He bumping though.
He kind of looks badass as hell.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Dude, I get it number right quick.
I'm just trying to write on the back. What's up, Poppy? Oh my God, he's got the New Balances on.
Oh,
He's
stunting. He's stunting. Alex has bars.
Don't do it.
No, yeah. You're gonna have to spit.
This is in the car and I'm eating ice cream. James over here and he looking real clean. Got the Air Forces on. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm kind of having fun. And we go to the levee, pulling up in a whip. No, it's never Chevy. No, we got a Ford and we going kind of crazy, but I got a Ford whip. Got your bitches going crazy.
She has bars, dog.
No, it's whatever.
Oh, it's like, you know, I do that when I wake up.
No one hypes me up like James Fuller, so don't let it get to anybody's head.
Nah, no one hypes me up about Alex Sperry.
That's facts, actually. Did you just see me drip check you? James is kind of like the weird kid at middle school that gets in the middle of the circle. It's like, hey.
This is a lot of ice cream. I'm usually not supposed to eat dairy, so.
Oh my God,
yeah.
James, I forgot. Okay, time to cut the vlog. Take me home right now. It's so nice out here.
It is very nice. Yo, this view go crazy. Hold on.
The view really got me.
I don't even think I showed y'all the view. Let me show y'all the view right quick.
Edit. Part of the bourgeoisie, you know what I'm saying? What? Oh, I have to leave right now because I was aiming over there and it literally went into the grass.
That was supposed to go in the... Y'all, it's over there. Alright, but that's going to be the end of the video today. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. I promise you won't regret it. Share it with your mama, your daddy, your brother, your sister, your baby mama,
Not your
baby
mama.
daddy,
Oh, period, okay.
the baby too,
The baby.
your cousins. Everybody should hear about this video, so go ahead and share it with them. Don't sleep on the kid. Don't sleep on your boy. Hope you all have a good day, and yeah.